Okay, Team 6, what I want to show you about the Latex system it's called Overleaf, which is a cloud-based Latex system, is how to use it, the software. This is to write your paper, and it is used by publishers, and it's used by all major conferences that you would want to publish to. And what happens is the software reformats according to where you're trying to submit it. If it's ACM, IEEE, Springer, they all have their own ideas of how they want things to look for their conference. You can write the paper in one format and quickly, easily change it to another. It's also very quick to handle bibliography items. So I want to show you how that works. Basically, on the left, we have some files. The ones that you need to pay attention to are main.txt, which is your main body. And these names can change, but there is one .txt that is the main body of code. Any images, which you might want to put in a separate image folder, and your bibliography. I'm going to point out the bibliography. This format right here is from Google Scholar. If I want to write quantum computing for Bitcoin, for example, and I go to, all right, 2018, because I only want recent things, and here is a this marking here. It says cite. When I put the mouse on it, I click on it, it says cite. I scroll down to bibtext. That's a form of latex. Now I've got my citation ready to go for my latex file. So when I do that, I think I accidentally dropped out of latex. I'm going to put it back, Overleaf. When I do that and I copy it, it's in the correct format. And all I have to do is open up, oh, I went to the wrong one, sorry. I go to choi.bib. It can be named anything, but bib, B-I-B, is bibliography. I go down here and I paste what I found from Google Scholar. Now there's this part right here, from the curly brace to the comma. That is what I need to do a citation. So over here on the right hand side, I can hit recompile. This new item will not appear until it's cited. So you can put things that you're not sure if you're going to cite without any problem. If you cite them, then they appear. So I see in the introduction I have a 1 and a 2, and then I have ease of use down here. So I'm going to go to main text. I'm going to go to ease of use, whatever is here. And in the first sentence, I'm going to go, let me make sure that you can see this. Cite. And then I pick this new citation. Remember, it was from the curly brace to the first comma. Now, all right, see here, we have 1, we have 2. I'm hitting compile. And aha, there is number 3. Number 3. It'll keep it all in order for you. Now let's go down to the very end. There it is, the new citation. Latex formatted it for you, put it in the right order, handled the commas, figured out what should be in italics. You don't have to think about it. It's done. So that's the joy of latex. Now, the other thing that you need to remember is right here, if you have a problem with getting your results, you should constantly recompile so that you're seeing what your code looks like. And all of you, this is shared by your whole team. All of you can write at the same time. You just need to hit recompile every now and then to see if you're getting in each other's way. And then the thing to remember, if you have a problem, there will be error messages right here. Right now I have no errors. I'm perfect. I'm the professor. But anyway, when and that's a joke. When there's errors, all you have to do is put them in Google with the word latex. And if you do that, it will tell you what the error is and how to fix it. Almost every time. I found a lot. Now, some of the information is a little chatty because this is a software used mostly by publishers and researchers, and so they get a little chatty when you just want to know what to do, and they kind of go on and on a little bit, but you'll get the answer. Okay, so I just wanted to make sure you know all that, and I look forward to your questions.